1 Thessalonians 5, if you want to turn there and mark it, this is a very strong word. Do you know what 1 Thessalonians 5:19 says? Do not quench the Spirit. That word speaks of a dousing, an extinguishing. It's used for like a fire retardant where you just foam the whole thing and bury it so it's just out. The Holy Spirit is first illustrated in the New Testament church as a flame of fire. This is foaming and suffocating that flame. And here's the third pillar of the Spirit-filled walk. Any unrepaired leaks that we leave unmitigated, undealt with, lead to a life of flat tire living. A life of being agonizing that everything that you know about Christ, the assurance, the joy, the hunger, the more than conquerors, the wisdom, the boldness, the passion, the compassion, everything isn't working. And there are actually believers that go for days and weeks and months in a state of quenching the Spirit. Communion is when we say to the Lord, you designed me to operate full of your Spirit. I know that when I get in certain realms of media, when I go to certain events, when I am around certain people, it starts leaking my spiritual fullness. And Lord, I want to have you repair and restore and refill me. And I want you to keep me full of your Spirit. But I know if I sin, that I don't have to keep going through life like nothing's wrong. I just pull over, confess, forsake, be renewed, put on the new man. Remember, no matter how far back we are, it's only one step to get right back where we should be, and that's confessing and forsaking.